For parents with no Chinese background, they may wonder, do their children need to watch cartoons to learn Chinese? Isn't watching cartoons a wasting of learning time? Actually, the answer is not at all. For many non-Chinese children, Chinese cartoons offer a more realistic language environment and authentic expressions than textbooks and regular curricula. And the Chinese culture in them also fostered the children's perspective of learning Chinese. Today, let's look at some of the cartoons that Eat Chinese Learning recommends for your kids to watch. Number 1. The Adventure of Pinyin Monster. If you have children at home who are learning Pinyin, you may want to let them watch this cartoon. This interesting cartoon turns Pinyin into little cute monsters, and by telling various interesting stories between these Pinyin monsters and children, it not only guides children to know and familiarize themselves with Pinyin, practice pronunciation, and learn how to spell correctly, but also makes the original boring content vivid and interesting, so that children can easily learn Pinyin with laughter and at the same time learn the true meaning of truth, goodness, and beauty. Number 2. Bunny Bears. The series features two bears, Rio and Brembo, who try to stop Logger Wig from destroying their forest home by cutting wood and occupying the land to develop environmental field. Children can learn about helping one another, being considerate when faced with difficulties, and protecting the environment from this amusing and instructive cartoon. Number 3. The Stories of Big Head Son and Small Head Dad. This cartoon tells the story of a family of 3. Their lives are ordinary but full of laughter. Also, the stories between different families in it are very heartwarming and realistic. It allows kids to learn from the many different philosophies of life about how to show love, how to help, and how to respect others. Number 4. The Adventure of a Little Carp. This cartoon is about the adventurous stories of a smart carp whose hometown, Carp Lake, is destroyed by the evil rascal snake. Although there are many hardships and dangers on the way, it eventually overcomes them with the help of its allies and makes the necessary sacrifice to ultimately vanquish the rascal snake and save its hometown. Movies, TV series, and cartoons are important aids to learning Chinese. It can not only help your children learn Chinese pronunciation well, but also learn more about Chinese culture. If your children are interested in learning Chinese, click on our bio, get a free one-on-one trial lesson. We will continue to share more interesting Chinese knowledge on our website. Please stay tuned.